Hello my loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl, Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. Didn't know that love would change ya, and I woke up to a stranger. After all this time I thought that I knew, but when I was no debating. So as you guys can tell by the title of today's video, we are trying a new setting powder. If you know me, if you know Kendra, if you know Kensthetic, when it comes to me doing my makeup, I usually stick to the same products, okay? What they say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But Milk Makeup was kind enough to give me these Pure Eclipse translucent loose setting powders. And I was like, I need to try it out for my girls and my boys and tell y'all what it's hitting for, because the girls are talking, okay? And y'all know me, when people are speaking about things, I want to try it out and see if the hype is real or if it's not. So that's exactly what we'll be doing in today's video. So if you guys want to see a demo, my honest thoughts and opinions, because even though these items were gifted, y'all know I'm always going to keep it a buck with y'all. If you guys want to see a wear test, if you guys want to see how it applies and how it mixes with other products that I use, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started with today's video, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are growing and glowing, and I would hate for you guys to miss it. So make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting that red subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up so YouTube can circulate this video all across its platform. And don't forget to drop a comment after you watch this entire video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So before we get into the demo, I wanted to give you guys more information on these setting powders. Milk Makeup's Pore Eclipse Matte Translucent Talc-Free Setting Powder is the newest addition to Milk Makeup's Pore Eclipse line. They previously have a primer as well as a setting spray. This setting powder is available in 4 shades: Translucent Light, Translucent Medium, Translucent Deep, and Translucent Very Deep. This setting powder is described as a weightless, talc-free, translucent loose setting powder that controls shine, blurs pores, and sets makeup for up to 16 hours. That's a huge claim, okay? For a smooth matte finish. The highlighted ingredients in these setting powders is lentil extract, which absorbs oil to control shine, pore blurring microspheres, which give a soft focus filtered finish, and buccal and niacinamide, which visibly smooths skin texture and minimizes the look of pores and fine lines. This product is vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. It's also considered a clean product at Sephora. So now that we know more about the setting powder and know everything that it claims, so we're going to go ahead and put it to the test. So I'm going to go ahead and do the base of my makeup as I usually do. I'll go ahead and pop the items that I'm using on the screen, but everything used in today's video will be linked down below. So make sure you guys check out the description box. But let me get a little closer so y'all can see what's going on. So the base of my makeup is done. I went ahead and did my foundation and my concealers and everything. I wanted to show you guys just in case you guys were interested. So now we are at the step where I apply my setting powder. So we're going to go ahead and use our Milk Makeup Pure Eclipse translucent loose setting powder. So first of all, the two shades that I'm going to use is translucent medium. So let's go ahead and open it up because I still haven't done that. I love the packaging of this setting powder. Like, I'm not big on like makeup packaging. Like, give me a pump and give me a dump, okay? But I feel like setting powders that, like, I'm sorry, but nobody has been getting it right. Like, it's always a struggle for me to get the powder out, or it's giving me too much powder. But I think I'm gonna like this packaging because I feel like it gives me what I look for in a setting powder. So this setting powder's packaging has like these holes, so you can go ahead and dump the product onto the cap. Like, so easy, right? And then once you feel like you have enough, you just go ahead and swirl this around and it's shut. Milk gets it, okay? They get it. And I love that. So I'm really excited about the packaging, but we're more concerned about the performance of the powder. So this is the shade translucent medium. So I'm going to use this in like the areas where I want it really highlighted. So I'm using my triangle puff. I get these from Amazon. The link will be down below. And I'm going to go ahead and pick up some of the setting powder on the puff. And I've been liking to set versus bake. So I'm going to go ahead and just wipe a layer onto the back of my hands, and then we're going to use the remainder on our face. I'm just taking, let me make sure everything is really blended because I've been chatting for a while. Look down and press that in. Oh, that's kind of light, or lighter than I expected. And I'm going to put that on my eyelid as well to serve as eyeshadow primer. And then I'm going to look up. Make sure I get all up in there. All up in there. And then I'm going to use a corner of the puff that doesn't have any product to like blend out the edges. So this is before and this is after. Before and after. I definitely feel like it gave my skin a nice blur. Can y'all see it? Y'all can see. Y'all can see. Okay. So let me go ahead and do the rest of my highlighted areas. Once again, wiping off the excess on the back of my hand. And then I like to use the excess that I put on the back of my hand to do my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, above my lip, and under my lip. Ooh. This looks good so far. Like, this looks real good so far. I'm impressed. So now I'm going to take the powder in the shade Translucent Deep. And I'm going to use this to set like the outskirts of those highlight areas with a brush. So once again, I'm going to take the powder and put it in the cap. And then I'm going to take a brush that has like a teardrop shape. Pick up the setting powder on the brush. And I don't know how this is going to look, so let me just test it a little. Okay. And I'm going to just sweep that across. I feel like this gives like more of a seamless transition of my makeup, especially since I'm gonna go in and put some bronzer on. So this is the side with just the translucent medium, and then this is the side where I have the translucent medium in the highlighted areas and then the translucent deep on the outskirts, just so you guys can see the difference. Y'all see? Y'all see? Y'all see? So this is my face after setting. I'll go ahead and put a clip here of my face before setting, and then you guys can see the after here. So first impressions, I definitely love the blendability of this setting powder. It is finely milled, so that helps with your makeup application because it actually like goes into your pores. But since this formula is talc free, it's healthy for our skin, and our skin isn't like, you know, getting the chemicals and just the toxins, and give a nice soft, effortless blend blur. Okay, I love it. So the only con I will say, I'm not sure if it's coming off on camera, is that I left the concealer on the bridge of my nose too long before blending, so the product kind of like broke up a little bit, and when I set it, I did feel like it highlighted that. I don't know if you guys are able to see on camera. It's not too bad, but it's just an observation. So I do want to say to make sure your concealer or whatever product you're setting is blended thoroughly before you apply the setting powder, because it will tell on you. Okay, this setting powder is low-key snitch. It's a snitch because it's gonna tell all your business, and I don't know how I feel about that too much, but it looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face, and then I'm gonna show you guys the final product of this beat, and then we're gonna do a weird test. So BRB.
Rolling up bullshit in a spliff and then we light it up. Tell me what's on your mind. If I reciprocate, I give a
So my makeup is on, my makeup is done, and I love how it came out. Like, it looks so good. But it's currently 11:51 a.m. 11:51 a.m. And I'm gonna wear this makeup for the remainder of the day so we can do a wear test. But yes, I'm in love with the initial application of my makeup. It looks so good. It looks so flawless. Like, my pores, where they at? Where they at though? Okay, pores, undetectable, lost, gone with the wind. Fabulous. What y'all think? The face is eating, okay? The face is eating. So I'm gonna go ahead and go about my day, and I'll be back in a couple of hours to let you guys know how she performs, how she works. What's tea? What is she giving? Hey, my love. So it is currently 8:02 p.m. And I know I look a little different. I went ahead and did some things with my hair and stuff. I was recording videos all day, but you guys can see the date and the timestamp. So don't think it's another day and I'm coming back. It's the same day, hun. So I have been wearing the setting powder for over 8 hours now. And I feel like it had a true test of, you know, my makeup wearability. I was in the house doing some work. I went outside to do some things in the hot Houston weather. So here's how my face is looking after 8 hours wearing the powder. I have not blotted. The only thing I've been doing is reapplying my lippy. Other than that, I have not touched my face at all. And yeah, it don't look too bad if you ask me. Like, I definitely feel like the areas where we applied the setting powder did hold up better than like the rest of my face. But overall, I don't think it's bad. It looks real good. It looks real dewy. It looks real juicy. It looks real natural. And I am here for it. Like, that's how I like my makeup to look at the end of the day. I don't want to be too oily, but just a little bit of oil so that things can look more natural. So, yeah. But I'm going to go ahead and blot now, just so we can see what the makeup would look like if I did blot throughout the day, which I usually do. But for the purpose of this video, I was like, I don't want to blot. I want to see what's really tea. Okay. So I'm taking the Pore Eclipse powder in the shade Translucent Medium. I'm using the product that's just left on the cap to blot. So a really light layer of powder, nothing too crazy. And I'm just gonna press it in. So this is what my face looks like after I blotted. I just went ahead and put on a light layer of powder on the areas where we initially applied the powder. And do y'all see what I'm saying? Because I look the freak good, period. So I wanted to give you guys my thoughts on the claims of this Milk Pore Eclipse Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Long name. But I wanted to give you guys my thoughts and opinions on the claims of this product. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first claim of this powder is to be weightless. I would definitely say that this powder is very lightweight. Like, it didn't feel like I put anything on my face once I applied it. So I will say that the weightless claim, check mark, okay? It just sunk into my face. It didn't feel like it was an extra layer. It's just like it's so finely milled, y'all. It's so finely milled that it literally just seeps into your skin. And as I mentioned, it is talc-free, so you ain't getting none of that chemicals or toxins in your skin while it's doing what it gotta do. The next claim of this product is to control shine. I definitely feel like it helps to control shine. The fact that I was able to see a difference in the area where I applied the powder versus areas where I did not, you can see that the shine was very much so controlled. So check mark once again. Next up is that it blurs pores. As soon as I put it on, it blurred that area so well. It gave like a little bit of a filter. You guys were able to see in the before and the after that I showed you guys. But it definitely gives a nice blur, like a nice natural blur. Not like a nice caked up filter blur, but like a nice natural subtle blur. And I'm here for it. So overall, my first impressions of this powder is that it will be in rotation in my makeup routine, so you guys can look forward to seeing me use this powder throughout the fall and winter months. So I'll continue to give you guys updates over time in my makeup videos as well as my vlogs on things that I have noticed while using this powder. This powder does have additional claims such as like smoothing out the skin's texture, etc., which are claims that we won't be able to see after wearing it for 1 day or 8 hours. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated on this powder. But if you guys are watching this video and y'all like, should I pick it up or should I leave it in the store? I'm here to tell you that you need to pick it up because it is literally so good. So I'm excited to continue using this and see how it goes. I'm excited to try it in different ways. So make sure you guys stay tuned because I will be giving you guys a lot of makeup content this fall and showing you guys different makeup techniques and hacks. So I hope you guys are ready. But that's all I have for today's video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. I will have links to all of the products used in today's video, the powder, everything that I used to achieve this makeup look, the lippy, because the lips are lipping, period. So all of the links will be down below. So make sure you guys check the description box. Make sure you guys comment and let me know what you guys think of the makeup look. What do you guys think about the wear of this powder? Do you guys currently have it? Do you guys plan on picking it up? Comment down below and let your girl know. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Give this video a big thumbs up so that YouTube can circulate this video across its platform. And don't forget to drop that comment down below. I love you guys so much. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Ciao, ciao. Tell me, was it all a lie? I'm confused. Then you say what I wanna hear, cause you know it's gonna get me here every time I say that I'm